What's up guys, how are you everyone? So my wife lost her civil ID and we requested it. We tried to request it on Sahil application, but we had a problem. Her mobile ID is in medium verification level or medium level authentication, so we cannot request the replacement online. So what we had to do is we printed the mobile ID, civil ID card, and then printed the passport. We provided the passport copy and bring the original passport as well. We went to Passi in Liberation Tower in Kuwait City. We went there and they provided us the yellow form, and then we paid for the card replacement 20 KD. They printed the receipt as well, which will be presented in the Passi in South Sura on the very next day. So today I am here in South Sura. I already collected the ID. Actually, it is very fast. I went there inside. I presented the papers to the guard, the yellow form, the civil ID copy in mobile ID, the civil ID copy of my wife, the passport copy, and he gave me a number for the counter. I waited for the number. I think I waited only 5 seconds, then my number came and I presented the papers to the counter, the yellow form, the civil ID copy, the passport copy, and my civil ID, as because I was the representative of my wife. She wasn't here with me because she's not feeling well. The counter gave me the temporary card, which will be inserted as old card for the replacement in the machine. So he told me to go to machine 81, and then here are the next steps that I had to do, and please watch this. And I hope if you ever experienced this kind of problem with your civil ID, I hope this video helps you well and you can share it with your friends. And thank you for watching, and stay safe everyone.